Hello pretty people, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to look like me, Gerald de Guzman. I hope y'all can keep up. So first you're gonna start out with your lumpy gumpy saggy daggy face. And then we're gonna use this Pond's Daily Cream. We're going to put those on the bags of your eyes to hide any sign of sleep deprivation. We don't want people to know that you have it sleeping because you're hearing your neighbors getting late every night and it keeps you awake. So make sure you smear that shit under your eyes and all over your face. And then we're going to use this cheap ass eyeshadow. Then we're going to pick this color and we're going to put that on our eyelid right next to our lashes. Make sure you apply and dab that shit nice and good, so that way the color comes out brightening, nice and sparkly. Do the same for the other eye, and make sure both eyelids are both ends bright, cause you don't want to be looking stink. It's okay if it's a little uneven, you all know one of your eyes is bigger than the other. Ooh, you're so fine! And then we're gonna use this cheap ass eyeliner, and it's black. We're gonna apply that eyeliner to our waterline and eyelashes. Do the same to the other eye, and don't try to mock me on how this should have been the first step, cause it's the easiest. I know what the hell I'm doing, don't try to tell me how to look like me. Make sure you get that shit nice and good. And then, we're gonna use this another eyeliner. The brush, I put this on our eyebrows to make them appear darker. This should fill in your eyebrows, make it nice and full. Oh, thank Jesus, we is almost done. And then, we're gonna use this cheap ass foundation. You're gonna dab that shit on your face, all over your face. And then, we're gonna do it on our jawline and neck. Don't ask me why, just do it, just like Nike said. Now it's time to put your cheap ass colored chapstick and dab that shit on your dry ass legs. And don't forget to put your extensions to hide your bangs. Ooh, you're so fine. And bam! There you go, you look like Gerald de Guzman. He is a fierce, fabulous ass motherfucker, and nobody can get in your way or stop. We don't. Good luck, bitches. You gon' need it. Subscribe, bitch.